Come along with me as I tour these gorgeous luxury homes located in Summerlin. This stunning model offers 4,242 square feet of living space on 2 levels. It has 5 bedrooms, including 1 bedroom and bath down, as shown here, 4.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. This room you see here is an option to convert the covered side patio into additional square footage, adding another flex room in the house. This amazing wet bar with wine fridge is one of my favorite parts about the home. It is perfect for entertaining, but of course, this is an upgrade. I also love this open floating staircase. The dining room overlooks the backyard with these beautiful multi-panel sliding glass doors. The kitchen is amazing with an accent ceiling and executive size island, and my favorite, a pot filler. Just off of the kitchen, there is an additional flex room that could be used as a den, a movie theater, or maybe a kid's room. It comes standard with a storage closet. However, there is an option to upgrade this room to a pool bath with a door leading to the outside. Here you have a spacious covered patio. Just off the kitchen is a fabulous prep kitchen. And then over here, we have a drop zone leading to the garage and a large walk-in pantry. Upstairs, you will find a spacious loft with large sliding glass doors that lead out to a covered mirror door. The primary suite features an owner's retreat with sliding glass doors leading out to the covered mirror door. The primary ensuite bathroom features a large soaking tub with a big picture window and 2 separate vanities with a makeup vanity. Also included is this large walk-in shower with an option to do a rain head shower head. Here you have a generous primary bedroom walk-in closet, and it leads to the upstairs laundry room. This bedroom features its own private full bathroom. All of these bedrooms are really good size, and this one features a large walk-in closet. Bedrooms 3 and 4 share this bathroom with 2 sinks. This leads into another bedroom with a walk-in closet. The base price of this home is $1,698,000. This next model features 4,530 square feet of living space on 2 levels, with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage on 2 levels. This home also features a spacious den right off the front entry that is perfect for a home office. Here's another beautiful floating staircase. And then we head into this spacious great room with multi-panel sliding glass doors overlooking the backyard. The fabulous kitchen features an executive island walk-in pantry and oversized nook. At the top of the stairs, there is a loft with sliding glass doors that lead out to the covered mirror door. There is an option to enclose this room and make it a game room with a double door entry. This bedroom features its own large walk-in closet and a private ensuite bath. Here is another bedroom with a walk-in closet and its own private ensuite bath. And here they've opted to do the shower in lieu of the bathtub, which you can do in the other bedrooms as well. Welcome to this amazing owner suite. Here you have a large sitting area, and you have the option to add a wet bar for your morning coffee or nighttime wine. The main suite has an option to add a door out to the covered patio. The amazing spa-like bathroom features 2 separate floating cabinet vanities and a freestanding tub. The large walk-in closet can be customized to accommodate your clothing, shoes, purses, and accessories. This is one of my favorites. In addition, you have this spacious walk-in shower. Here's the covered patio with optional exterior fireplace. These home sites are quite expansive, allowing you to design your dream backyard. The base price for this model is $1,792,990. Our next model features 3,981 square feet of living space with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Here's another spacious den off the front entry for a home office. This model features vaulted ceilings in the gathering room, which gives it an open and airy feel, with stacking sliding glass doors leading to the rear covered patio. Here we have the lovely kitchen, which can be customized to your liking and tastes. You can get an executive island or a waterfall island. And we have a spacious nook with sliding glass doors leading to the covered patio. And again, here's one of my favorites. I love the pot filler. You also have this large walk-in pantry with customized shelves. This area can be customized as a drop zone off the garage or a second laundry room. This is the downstairs bedroom where you can opt for a sliding glass door that leads out to the backyard. This bedroom features its own private ensuite bathroom, as well as a spacious walk-in closet. This model is shown with the optional guest living quarters. Here you have the option to put in a kitchenette in the living area, as well as adding a private front door off the front porch. It has its own bedroom and a full-size attached bathroom, as well as a walk-in closet. In lieu of adding the guest living quarters, you can turn the 1-car garage into a 2-car garage, which will give you 2 separate 2-car garages. Upstairs, we have a loft with optional custom built-ins to make it a second family room. You can also add a built-in desk for homework time. The opulent owner's suite is quite spacious and features a retreat with sliding glass doors that lead out to the covered mirror door. And of course, you have the option of putting in a wet bar. This suite features 2 spacious walk-in closets. The ensuite bathroom features 2 separate vanities as well as a makeup counter, a freestanding bathtub, and a large walk-in shower. And here is your second walk-in closet, which of course can be customized to your tastes. Here is bedroom number 2 with a walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share this hall bath. Bedroom 3 features a walk-in closet with a window providing lots of natural light. The 4th bedroom also has a walk-in closet, and it features its own private bathroom. The base price of this home is $1,632,990. If you would like more information about these fabulous homes in Summerlin, just reach out. I'd be happy to assist you.